नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। You are watching Guftar News Channel. Pakistan Sanghi Trust is an organization of Pakistan. Its short name is PST. Pakistan Sanghi Trust also helps poor students and poor aged men and women in backward areas of Pakistan. So I request those persons who have humanity in their hearts to please support Pakistan Sanghi Trust. PST needs your help and support. You can donate on this bank account number 01018104322600001 Bank Islami